Why can't you be healthy? Why can't you be fit? Why can't you have the body that you desire? Why can't you have the life that you want? Why can't you have the money that you want to live out the dreams that you'd like? And I talked yesterday about fear holding us back, and that's true in so many areas, but we also hold ourselves back just out of procrastination, laziness, and not being motivated. And I want to help you get motivated. I want to help you get moving. I want to help you get fit and strong and on track in your mind and your body and your soul. I'm an ordained minister. I started pastoring full time in 2017, but I started ministering in 2014, and I just resigned from my official capacity in 2022. But I've been nursing all this time as well as a registered nurse, and I have this in me that I want to help people, be it their spiritual health, their mental health, or their physical health. And so that's why I'm becoming a personal trainer and a registered nurse and an ordained minister, is because we need these parts in our life firing on all cylinders. And I want to help you live a long, healthy, happy life, because I've known too many people that gave up on themselves and they died too young. Some of them died spiritually. Some of them died in their mind. Others' bodies failed them and they are in the grave. And I believe that we should have a long life, a healthy life, a happy life. There will be difficulties in life. There's no question about it. There will be heartache, heartbreak, pain, disease, suffering. However, we don't have to make that our normal. We can choose to do everything in our power to be healthy, to be of a sound mind, to be of strong faith, and to be fit. And a healthy body tends to lead towards a longer life. A healthy mind tends to lead towards a healthier outlook on life. And a healthy spirit helps us navigate the traumas and the difficulties and the heartbreak of this world. And so that's why I'm adding this to my life, to help other people as I've helped myself overcome depression, heartbreak, disappointment, rejection, being out of shape, being weak and sick, chronically ill, to being fit and healthy, of a sound mind, of a stronger spirit, with purpose, with power, with integrity, with honor, with a life that matters, not just to myself, but to my family, to those around me, that I move with purpose each day instead of procrastination, that I have meaning, that I'm going for something bigger than just myself, and I'm going for you, to help you become the greatest version of yourselves. And so that's why I started this path, which I called the Path of Mastery. I want to help you become all that you can be, to be fit, healthy, strong in your mind, your spirit, and your body. Let's not waste any more time, because the end comes quick, but let's enjoy the time that we have without living in the hospital, without relying on a million medications, without being out of shape, out of breath, with being unhappy. Instead, let's be happy. Instead of being sorrowful, let's be full of joy. Let's find our purpose, our power, and our place, and let's live out our destiny starting today. And that's why I'm here. That's why I want to help you become the best version of yourself.